In a world so dark with the misapprehension of God's character, where God is blamed for every calamity, heartache and catastrophe which strike, where every good act is attributed to fortune, where human ability is credited for every achievement, where luck is magnified more than God in every deliverance. Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher to preach the goodness of the Lord? Where is the preacher to tell the world he did not belong to Jesus? In the bustle and hustle of the hectic modern life, where time for visions is now time for television, where we have more of play than prayer, where we have more of selfish organizing than prayerful agonizing, where there is no longer time for the Bible but for the magazines, where there is more internet than intercession. Where is the preacher to tell the world that God needs his time? In a world where millions die because of lack of food, where men have more than enough food but less than enough love to cause them to share, where the only meal which the church can now give is the Holy Communion meal, where the church only clothes the naked for an hour with church gowns. Where is the preacher to comfort the faithful poor that Jehovah Jireh is still faithful? Where is the preacher to give the hungry world Christ the bread of life? In a world where there is only superficial quenching of thirst, where the multi-trillionaire's New Year resolution is to make more money, where the quest for power steers even the hearts of the highly placed, where men and women cannot be quenched from their own marital springs, where is the preacher to give the world Jesus, the living waters? Where is the preacher to preach to the world Jesus, the water of life, which satisfies to the uttermost and extinguishes the flames of untamed passions? Where is the preacher to cry to the world, seek ye first the kingdom of God? In a world where hearts are grinding because of fear of the unknown and the known, a world of political upheavals, terrorism, genocide, sabotage, oppression and brutality, a world of subversion, vandalism, cruelty, misery and injustice, where the poor fear to grow poorer and the rich fear to be poor, where the sick fear death and the healthy fear to be sick, where those who have fear to lose and those without fear to die without, a world where death respects no gender, position, race or tribe, where clinics prescribe pills which they do not have to be taken after a meal which they don't provide. Where is the preacher to raise the banner high that Jehovah Shalom, the Lord our peace, reigns? Where is the preacher to preach Christ, the Prince of Peace? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher to prescribe Jehovah Rapha, the Lord our healer, to the ailing nation? Where is the preacher to preach Christ, the healing balm of Gilead? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher to warn the kings to wind up their businesses, because the King of Kings is coming? In a world reeling to and fro like a drunkard, confused yet confident, a world against war, yet against those who are against the war, a world against itself, a world of celebrated nudity, a world of promiscuity, social deviancy and juvenile delinquency, where everything Western, even if it is the West, is considered worthy. A world so shaded with cosmetics such that it cannot see the cosmological catastrophe coming. In a world which thinks that God has long hair and a long nose is an emblem of superiority and power. In a world which was made to believe that black is the devil's favorite color. In a world which thinks that sins are black, yet God says they are red like crimson. In a world which believes that God has a favorite language, where is the preacher to to tell the world that God's universal language is love. Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher to preach Christ, love personified? Where is the preacher to tell Africa it is not cursed but blessed? Where is the preacher to tell Africa that is not there by default but by design? Where is the preacher to tell the world that all blood is red? Where is the preacher to tell the world that black, red, white cows all produce white milk? Color doesn't matter. Where is the preacher to tell the world that melanin is a black pigmentation? It is our shield against the effects of ultraviolet rays. Melanin is not a brain fluid. Where is the preacher to tell the world that at the foot of the cross, the ground is level? Nobody is bigger than the other. Where is the preacher to tell the world that Jesus is the answer to all the social ills and imbalances of the world? Where is the preacher when the world is starving? Where is the preacher when there is more of marriage blisters than marriage bliss? Where is the preacher when there is more fashion in churches than the passion for Christ? Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher? God is looking for preachers who fear nothing but God, who can call sin by its rightful name, who can correct wrong in a friend and in an enemy. God is looking for missionaries, not mercenaries, who preach for a salary. God is looking for preachers after a sacrifice, not a sack of rice. God is not looking for the qualified, but He qualifies the called. Where is the preacher? Where is the preacher?